Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina. I am a new beauty YouTuber and I am super excited today to be reviewing and doing my first impressions of the new Fenty Beauty Killawatt foils. This is the one with the shade Mojito and Sand Castle. It's like the blue and the brown super shimmery shades, and I used both of these on my eyes. They're for eyes and highlight. You can use them on your face as well, but for this look today I just did my eyes. They're both really gorgeous and I am super excited to show you how I did this and give you my final thoughts. So if you want to know how I did this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so I've already done my face and my brows off camera. So first I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in the shade Sin. Okay, so this is it. So open it. I can open it. I can look at it. Ah, there we go. Okay, plastic fell out. Okay, so this is it. This is the shade Mojito and this is the shade Sand Castle. Swatch. Ooh. So there is Mojito. And there is Sand Castle. Both are really pretty. Okay, I am excited to try these out. So I don't really know what kind of a look I'm going to do. I'm going to just kind of wing it and go for it. Alright, so I am going to do a transition shade with my Tarte in Bloom palette. One of my favorite everyday palettes. I'm going to go in with the shade Flower Child. And I'm going to use that as kind of an all-over base and a transition. And kind of set the primer and then get it ready for the shimmer. Okay, so taking my Body Shop eyeshadow brush, it's the flat brush, I am going to go in with this Mojito shade and I'm going to just go all over the center of my lid and into my inner corner. Ooh! This brush is dry, guys. This is amazing. Okay, so taking my Morphe M441 brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Sand Castle, and I'm going to do that on the outer side of my eye, the outer V and the second half of my eyelid, I guess. So I'm just taking it and I'm just buffing it into my crease just a little bit. Oh, kind of feel like a mermaid. I don't know. Okay, so I am going to take my e.l.f. small angle brush and I am going to go in with Mint Mojito again on my lower lash line. Okay, so next I'm going to do my inner corner highlight. I'm going to do a different shade just to make the inner corner and brow bone pop. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit, and I am going to go in with this white shade Luna. I am digging this. Alright. I am going to just add a little bit more of the Mint Mojito shade. Get this open. Oh my goodness. This is really difficult to get open. That or I'm just like, okay. Okay, so going back in with my Mojito with my Morphe M441 brush, I am going to just touch up the inner side of my lid. And just blend these two shades together. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with Sand Castle and just keep kind of touching these guys up and blending. I love it! Alright, so I'm gonna go do my eyeliner off camera and I will be right back. Okay, so next I'm gonna do my lashes. I'm just gonna first curl them. Okay, so next I'm gonna take my usual 3 and first I'm gonna go in with Ulta's Twice as Nice with the lower lash side on the back of my upper lashes. Okay, and next taking my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes, I'm going to go in on my bottom lashes. Get it open. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara, my favorite mascara of all time, and I'm going to build that up on my top lashes. Okay, so next I'm going to set with my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea 4-in-1 Setting Mist. Don't inhale it. Don't inhale it. Oh gosh. Okay, so for lips today, I'm going to first go in with my Colourpop lip liner in the shade Bitchette. Okay, and then to finish up, I'm going to go in with my Colourpop Lippy Stick in the shade New Rules. So my final thoughts on this new Fenty Beauty Killawatt foil are that it's fantastic. I absolutely love it. It's so pigmented and shiny without hardly having to try, and this was a dry brush that I used and it looks great. It's a super, super nice look for summer. I will probably try some of the other Killawatt foils and do some other looks with those, but for now, I really like this. I'm really happy with it and I hope you guys are too. So please like, comment, subscribe, catch me on Instagram at Christina14chalk, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!